This Adobe Media Encoder tutorial will show you how to re-encode videos so they work with the Raspberry Pi video looper. To use videos with the Raspberry Pi video looper, they need to be 1080p, 30 frames per second. And sometimes you might have a 4K video or some other strange formatted video that you need to reconvert. And Adobe Media Encoder is a great way to do that. First thing to do, open up Media Encoder, and then in the queue, click the plus button and add a source. Once you've added the source, you'll see it here in the queue. And by default, it's going to match source at a high bit rate. And that's not exactly what we want because this is a screen recording and it's not recorded at 1080p. For the format, we definitely want it to be H.264, but you can click on this and make sure that the video output is going to be 1080p. So right here under the basic video settings, click this check mark, and then for the width, type 1920. And if for some reason you don't have 1080p here, unclick this link, then you can type 1080. Then scroll down, and on the frame rate, sometimes it will be 29.97, it might be 33, depending on where you got your source material. Click this checkbox. Then we want to select exactly 30 frames. This will work really well with the imager, and then I can say OK. Now you'll see custom here. And the only other thing you need to do is choose where your output file is going to be. I'll choose here on the desktop, and then you can label it 1080p export or other similar file name. What's nice is you can save this as a preset. If I click on custom here, then I can save this as a preset. I can label the preset Raspberry Pi export 1080p horizontal, because you can also make vertical video displays and have a different preset. Select OK, and then we're ready to click the play button, and it will automatically go through your video files. What's nice about this is you can drop in a whole folder of video files, click play, walk away, have a nice cup of coffee, come back, and everything's done. Pop it into a Raspberry Pi, and you have some awesome digital signage. Hopefully this allows you to use Adobe Media Encoder to reformat videos to 1080p, 30 frames per second for the Raspberry Pi video looper.